Hey guys, want to make a quick video about your iPhone if it's not charging correctly. So you might clean out like this charger, but then it's still not working. A lot of times it's because it's dirty. So what you want to do is just get something simple like this, like a toothpick. This is like a floss pick. Go ahead, start scraping, gently scraping out all this mess, and you'll be surprised about how dirty it is actually. But yeah, go ahead and make sure you don't like scrape out any of the chips in like the the charging port connection areas. And just yeah, be patient. Slowly, just start removing all this debris and try it again. So let's see how much more there is. As you can see, it's quite disgusting. This phone is pretty old. It's a few years, maybe 4 years old almost, and I never cleaned it before. So yeah, most people don't know, but then yeah, your phone gets quite dirty. So let's go ahead and see if it's charging now. Sorry about the quality of this video. I just wanted to, yeah, so right away it connects now. So go ahead and try that out. You know, I had a problem charging and I just couldn't figure out why. I cleaned the charger and then I was told that you have to clean the inside of the charger port. So yeah, hope that video helps, and please check out some more of my videos for more tips and how-tos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.